Hi everybody, it's Simon from Taro, and this is a quick tutorial video on how to drag jobs from the job pool to the job list in a scenario that is in the planning stage in Taro Ruby. First of all, ensure that you're working in the correct scenario. The scenario is highlighted in yellow. You can always change scenario by right-clicking on it and setting active, or expanding it and clicking set active. Next, you'll need to have some jobs in the job pool. Click on the job pool to expand it and review the jobs that are in the job pool. The third step is to ensure the job list is open and that you are in the view of the job list. At this point, I have 0 jobs in the job list, so it's showing me to add some jobs to start routing. So, in order to drag and drop a job across, I come to the job pool, I click on the job anywhere except the checkbox, click, hold, and drag across. As I drag it across, you can see the jobs list has expanded. Once that's expanded, it's telling me I'm holding the job in the right place, and I can drop it straight in. You can see the successful notification has popped up at the top. So it's as easy as click, drag, and drop. I can also go the other way, click, drag, and drop, and that will move that job back from the job list to the job pool. Now, if I have multiple jobs in the job list, I can click select all, and that will select every job in the list. I can drag, and only one job will show as I drag. Bring it across, the jobs list opens up, and drop in there, and all the jobs have been dragged across. I can also do this back the other way. Select all, drag, and drop. Finally, I can search, and in this case, I can search for a tag, redeliver, and I can click select all here. Now, this will only select the jobs with the redeliver tag. And if I back this search out, you will see the redelivered tags have been selected, and the tags that are not redelivered have not been selected. And I can drag and drop these across to the job list. Finally, I can select individual jobs that I wish to drag across. And again, click, drag, and drop. And only the jobs that I had selected will be dragged across to the job list. Now that I've done this, I'm ready to activate my drivers and optimize. If you have any questions, please reach out and let me know. Thank you very much.